Hi, welcome to Mire Engine. In this first beta version, I will show you step by step how to use the program. This is the welcome screen. From here, we can open an existing project or create a new one. By creating a new project, we have the possibility to choose on which platform to make our game. In this case, as Mire is still under development, we can only choose the desktop version. It's very simple, just select the type of project, the position in which we want to create our project, and finally the name of our game. When you are ready, click on Create New Project. But don't worry, Mire will seem frozen, but it actually works in the background for us. At the end of the process, Mire will restart. We just need to press the Continue Last Project button. At startup, we immediately notice a white screen. This is because we must first open a game map. Just go to the bottom left, double-click on our project to view all the maps. Right-click on the project folder, and choose the item, Create New Map. Set the name of the map, and the size in blocks. Below will be described the size in pixels of the game map. When you press the OK button, you will immediately notice that an image is created in the map list, in the shape of a cross. This is because we have the map, but it has not yet been compiled. Then, let's draw on our game map. On the left of the screen, you can see a set of images to draw your game map. It's very simple, just select a piece, or an area you want to draw, and immediately, we will see it transparently on our editor. The toolbar is very simple to learn. Each icon has its own function. The first three icons are used to create a new project, open a project, or save the currently drawn map. The pencil, to draw a single piece or selected area. The eraser to eliminate wrong parts. The bucket to fill an entire area. The dark rectangle to delimit the shadows, and cross to block passages. Here we can create events, or program NPC. Here instead, we can add lights and spotlight. From this icon, we can compile the map draw, and make it available to the game, while the next icon is for setting the sunlight, following the database, and other icons in progress. Now I select the Paint Bucket tool, and fill the entire play area with grass. With this slider, we can move to various drawing levels. The first two levels are under the hero. From the third level onwards, all the graphics will cover the game character. Let's go draw a tree. The lower part, we draw it on a level that does not exceed 2, while the upper part, that is the leaves, will cover the character. Now, let's stop the character from passing over the tree, simply by adding crosses on the trunk. Now that we are ready to test the game level, first of all we need to build the map. This is to prepare the engine to read the different graphic effects. The process is very fast, but it often depends on your system. At the end of the operation, you will notice that the cross at the bottom has disappeared, taking on the graphics of a miniature of your game level. This means the engine is ready to read that level. We just have to save the progress made so far. Now, we need to set the starting point of the game. We just go to the database and set the starting position. Select System tab, and just click on button to choose a map file. Then, double-click on map file, and click on the screen, exactly where you're starting the game. Click OK button to apply changes, save the project again, and click on Play button to start game. It's time to say goodbye. If you like Mire, please support the project, join the community, and share your ideas to improve our product. Don't miss other tutorials. Subscribe to the channel.